Second, passport. Third, driving license. Fourth, income tax identity, PAN card. Fourth, service identity card with photograph issued to its employees by central, state government, public sector undertakings and public limited companies. Public limited companies and the even companies which are publicly listed. For example, Wipro, Infosys, that card is applicable. Whichever company is publicly listed in the stock market, their identity card is accepted. Created TS Indra, BEML card, DRDO card accepted. Passbook is photograph issued by public sector bank, post office, Kishan passbooks. Any bank, it also includes your credit card also. The passbook includes the credit card because that's also bank active. But the photograph is the credit card. Student identity card also. Property document is photograph, patta, registered deed. Any photograph is the property. Also, registered in the photo. That is also allowable. You can show that and you can vote. Ration card is photograph, PDS card with photograph. SC/ST OB certificate is photograph issued by competent authority. You can use that. Any caste certificate with photograph can be used. This all offering the full family can vote. Pension document with photograph. Old age, the ex-serviceman, old age pension, widow pension, different certificate of that is also applicable. Freedom fighter identity card, arms license photograph, certificate of physically handicapped with photograph. See, almost all cover ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಡವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರ they will be either one of this beneficiary, either old age pension or widow pension or handicap pension ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. Ex-serviceman, CSC candidate card, Sandhya Suraksha scheme card, job card with photograph under your rural employment guarantee scheme. SSVN card, service identity card with photograph issued by local bodies, that is municipal corporation TMCs. So Bangalore TMC is one card applicable for the whole family by election. Senior citizen card bearing photograph of the holder. So many things are applicable.